Imagine yourself in this Honda 2021 Accord Sport 2-liter turbo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, 180-watt AM/FM HD Sirius XM audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.